Hello everyone, welcome to Shotta Cook. Today we're going to make roasted vegetable tortilla. This is a very easy and a very quick recipe and it's obviously very tasty. So let's see what ingredients do we need to make this. Firstly, we need some tortillas. These are very easily available in the market. Next, we need some freshly chopped vegetables. Over here we have about half cup of tomato, half cup of finely chopped onion, some boiled corns and half cup of capsicum. Next we need some tomato sauce and Szechuan sauce for spread. Szechuan sauce is optional but it adds a very different nice flavor. Some olive oil for the dressing, butter, salt to taste, some pepper, some parsley and lastly grated cheese. So let's start by making the filling. For that we're going to take all the vegetables, that is capsicum, tomatoes, onion, sweet corn. You can just add any kind of vegetables of your choice. It's completely optional. Whatever you have in place, you can just go for that. Next we're going to add some pepper, salt, parsley and just a little drizzle of olive oil. And now we're going to just mix it well. And you can see it's nice and colorful and also healthy. So over here our filling is ready. So next we're going to just heat the pan and place the tortillas on the top. We're just going to heat up the tortillas from one side. So we are just going to keep it for 30 seconds and remove it. So now let's start with the placing. Firstly we're going to spread butter on both the tortillas. Next we're going to spread tomato sauce. Okay, so next we're going to spread some Szechuan sauce. Next add your filling on the top. Lastly we're going to top it with some grated cheese. Now we're going to just place the another tortilla on the top. Now we're going to heat the pan. Place it on the top. Now we're going to roast it from the downside, from one side for like a minute. Next we're going to spread the butter on the top. Now very carefully we're going to flip it over and you can see it's got nice and crispy and golden from the top over here. Now we're going to just spread butter on the other side also. If you want you can also skip the step of applying the butter. Now we're going to roast it on low flame so that our vegetables inside get cooked a little bit. So now we're going to just flip it over. And you can see it has got nice and crispy and golden brown over here. So as you can see it's done from both the sides. So we're going to just remove it. So now we're going to just cut it into the serving sizes. So there you go, our roasted vegetable tortillas are ready. And as you can see it's very easy to make and it's very tasty because it has that crunchiness of the vegetables and that sourness of cheese and the spread and of course that nice crispy crust on the top. So it just makes like a very perfect dish. And it's like very easy to make because you just need to throw in some vegetables and some cheese and it's ready. And you can actually serve it like an appetizer by cutting in these kind of serving sizes. So you can see it's very easy and very tasty. So definitely give it a try and let us know how does it comes out. Make sure to subscribe and like this video if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Welcome to Cooking with Shotta. Our today's recipe is cheese chili toast. So to make this quick recipe, let's see what we will need. 1 cup of grated cheese, 1 medium-sized capsicum finely chopped, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, some coriander leaves chopped, 1 green chili finely chopped, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of amchur powder. Amchur powder is optional but it gives a nice twist of taste, and bread slices. So we'll start preparing. For that we're going to take grated cheese, capsicum, onions, coriander leaves, green chilies, amchur powder, salt, And while you're adding salt, make sure to add according to your taste, because cheese also have salt. Black pepper. And now mix all your ingredients well. So now we are going to toast our breads. So toast your bread slices. Okay, so we have toasted our bread slices slightly. Okay, so now just take a little bit of mixture and then spread it evenly on your bread slice. Okay, so now we are going to bake our bread slices in the oven for about 3 to 4 minutes. For that, we are going to preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 2 to 3 minutes. If you want, you can also do the same thing on the pan if you don't have the oven, and cook it until your cheese gets melted. Okay, so now bake the bread into the oven for 3 to 4 minutes or until your cheese gets melted. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes and you can see it has got a very nice crisp and the cheese is melted. So now it's ready to serve. Okay, so now we are just gonna cut it in triangles. So serve your cheese chili toast with some tomato ketchup. Do try it, it's a very easy recipe. And do subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome to Shotta Cook. Our today's recipe is crispy Szechuan paneer. It's very easy to make and it's a nice appetizer. So let's go through the ingredients. For this we need 250 grams of paneer, 2 boiled and mashed potatoes, 2 teaspoons of Szechuan sauce, 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup, salt to taste, half cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of papar powder, and we have just crumbled the papar and then put it in the grinder, and then you get something like this, the powder of papar. So we are going to start with the preparation. For that, firstly we are going to take the paneer and we have crumbled it. Next we are going to take the boiled potatoes, then take salt, tomato ketchup, Szechuan sauce. And we do have the recipe on how to make Szechuan sauce on our channel, so you can check it out on Shotta Cook, or I will also link it down in the description box. And then mix everything well. So the mixture is ready. Okay, so now we are going to give it a shape. So just make some balls, or you can also give any shape like you like. We are giving it an oval shape, and you can just grease your hands so that it doesn't stick to your hand with some oil. So just give such kind of shapes to the whole mixture. Okay, so our batch is ready. Okay, so now we are going to make the coating. For that we are taking all-purpose flour. To that we are going to add water. Mix it well. Make sure there are no lumps. So you can see the consistency we require, and it is kind of thick, so batter should be thick and this should be the consistency. Okay, so now we are going to take the balls, dip it in the mixture we made, the all-purpose flour, and then in the papar powder so that it gets that crispiness. Coat it with the papar. And just do the same with all. Okay, so now it's ready to be fried. Okay, so now we're going to heat the oil. The oil should be hot. Okay, so now we're going to drop in. So you can see they are done. It just took about like half to 1 minute. Remove it on a paper towel. So our paneer kebab is ready. It has a nice flavor of Szechuan sauce. Also it has a nice texture of paneer and that nice crispiness of papar. And it's very easy to make and is also really tasty. It's a nice quick appetizer to make. Also we have some more paneer recipes and other appetizer recipes on our channel Shotta Cook. Serve it with green chutney. If you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome to Shotta Cook. Our today's recipe is bread cheese pakora. This is a kind of different recipe of pakora. Plus it's very easy and quick, so let's see what we need for this recipe. 2 cups of besan or gram flour, bread slices, cheese slices, tomato ketchup, half teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, chaat masala, 2 pinches of baking soda. So we'll start the preparation. For that, firstly we are going to make the batter. So for that we are going to add salt into the gram flour, red chili powder. Now slowly start adding water and keep on mixing it. Make sure there are no lumps. So after mixing, you get this consistency. This is the consistency required. So keep on adding water until you get this consistency. So lastly we are going to add 2 pinches of baking soda and then mix it well. So now next we are going to take some bread slices and spread on some tomato sauce. Now keep another bread slice on the top. Next take your cheese slice and then spread just a little bit of red chili powder, little bit of salt and sprinkle some chaat masala. And then take the third slice on the top. So you get nice 3-layer kind of sandwich. Next we are going to cut it with the help of a knife in a triangle. You can just cut in the shape you want. So now they are ready to be fried. So heat the oil. Next we are going to dip in the bread slices carefully. Coat everything with the besan and then put it in the oil. Now it's done. It has got a nice golden brown color. Remove it on a paper towel and your bread cheese pakoras are ready. You can see those beautiful 3 layers. The cheese has nicely melted and it tastes sweet and spicy and cheesy and it will taste good. And this makes a nice appetizer. Plus it's very easy to make. So do try it. If you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.